Hey, you have entered the fix-it zone. Look, I got these two lights I ordered from Home Depot. They're Monteaux solar-powered tabletop lights. Reason for the video is because I got these lights and everything, the instructions and everything were inside the light. So I'm like, well, how does this come off? So there was a screw top on here. I tried taking that off. And then I figured out that this whole top just screws off. Okay? So when you take this off, you got to take out the instructions. But inside there's a tab that you pull off. This is a tab for the battery so it doesn't get wore out in stock. So you tear that out of here. That was right in here like so. Okay, so you got to pull that out. Then you got your instructions here. And then you can take your light and turn it back on. Now these lights are great for tabletop, but also on your patio. You could put them on the rails, the patio rails, or you can put some poles up and hang them from the poles. And these lights are pretty elegant for some of the solar lights that I've seen, and they actually do look good out on the deck. The main purpose for this video was to show you how to get inside this thing, because when I first got them I was having a little bit of difficulty because I didn't want to break the thing. But then when I did figure out that this top does just screw off, there's little tabs on there, you can see them, that holds the top on. So once you learn that, then you got the whole thing sealed up. And you know how much I love these solar lights, because they basically, you just buy them from the beginning and they don't cost you anything after that. And solar power now has come so far forward that even if the sun isn't shining, it does pull those solar rays in and it does charge the item. And these are good for all night long. They do recommend that you take them in the winter time, but I would recommend that you keep them, you know, in the sun somewhere so that they remain charged in the battery. Because the battery, if you leave it not uncharged for a while, it will kill the battery and kill the cells within. So again, this was the Monteaux lights right there. Ordered them online at the Home Depot. Comes with instructions. And once you get them, like I said, unscrew that top, take the tab out so they can charge and light, and then put the top back on and you're good to go. To get a good look at them, I'm going to turn the light off. So they give off quite a bit of light. And like I said, they're quite elegant and they do look good on the balcony. So pick yourself up a pair if you dare. Mr. Fix-It, I'm out.